Moin, my name is Niels, I'm brand new on YouTube, and today I got a handful of tips for you. Yes, you heard right, I'm brand new on YouTube, and when you see my list of subscribers, there's the proof. Only 50 subscribers. Only? Yeah, compared to all the big boys here, but for me that's huge. I gained it in a little bit more than 4 weeks. Yes, only 50 subscribers so far, but every single one is earned. Thank you so much for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed yet, down there is the button, please click it. So tip number one from somebody like me who's brand new and was just wiggling his way through the first few weeks, just upload videos. You don't know what you want to do? Great, start with the first thing that comes to your mind. I'm pretty sure when you're watching this video right now, you got all the equipment that you need in your hand. There's a camera, there's a microphone in there, that's all you need to begin with. Same thing if you are sitting at home on your laptop. Normally there's a mic in there, there's a camera in there, and you have some idea of what you want to share with the world. Just bring it out. Me for myself, I have not found the niche that I want to go into. I'm doing vlogs, I'm doing a little bit of motorcycling, and I did some burger testing with my granddaughter. It was the most fun video because I got something to eat, and she is just phenomenal on the camera, and it generated a lot of clicks. But something where I really go a little bit farther, where I would say, yes, this is exactly what I want to share with the world, this is what I have really fun with, I haven't found that yet. Many people go in either of two ways. You do education videos or you do entertainment videos. Make sure that you are having an idea where you want to go. People will only subscribe to you if there's something in for them. Nobody will subscribe to you because they're thinking, oh yeah, I like that person's face, let's make him rich and famous. Unless it's my face, of course. So in general, you have to think about what can I give to the person on the other side of the cam to make them subscribe to me. The next step I did was I was looking up videos on YouTube that are going about how to gain subscribers. What do you have to do to drag attention to your channel? How to beat the algorithm of YouTube. And they're always coming up with the same things. Make sure that you have a very good thumbnail because this is dragging people to your videos. Make sure that you are telling everybody that they should subscribe. Make sure that everybody of your friends, family, that they're aware of your YouTube channel. So put them all in there, and then go on Facebook, go on Instagram, go on Twitter, wherever you have social media going on, where you have accounts, just throw everything out there. Hey, I'm making a channel, or I just started a channel. Please look into that, subscribe. And after you find your niche, and it might take up to 30 videos before you actually see, hey, this is the way, or this is the route that I want to go down. Up to that point, you might be all over the place. Just make sure that in this time you're sharing as much as possible. So you will see subscribers will come to your channel and they will leave. And don't be discouraged, because if you're going into this and just saying, I will be the biggest star ever on this platform, or you will set yourself up for failure. It will take a long time. People are grinding for years before they became successful. I am looking a lot of the stuff of Mr. Beast right now because he is the one who's going through the roof. And he said he wasted his whole teenage years from age 13 to age 19. He was grinding on YouTube with so many little things where he thought he might have the big breakthrough. But that took a while. And I think his breakthrough video was when he was coming up with PewDiePie against T-Series. That was his first video that broke the million, I guess. And the rest is history. Now he can just look in the camera eating a bag of chips and people will watch it. So yeah, find your niche at one point. Make sure that your tags are good and go with the subject. The title of your video, the subscription, and the text, they should all mention the same thing that you're going into, so that you can beat that algorithm, so that you are ending up on top at one point eventually. And don't be too broad. As I said, if you put in Fortnite, you will have like roughly 30 million videos that you have to compare against on any given day. Be specific. For me, I put my things in German immigrant moved from Hamburg to Phoenix, so that I have a few tags where people just, when they're looking into that I will pop up pretty much on top. But yeah, it is a niche. It is a very tiny niche, and I think that in the long term this will not get me where I want to be at one point. So I'm still looking. And if you are using Apple products, big win, because then you can use the iMovie Maker. iMovie Maker is fantastic because you got sound effects on there, you got music that you can use on there, you can edit, you can cut. There are some color schemes that you can use. It's pretty amazing to begin with. Later on, when you made your first thousands, get a better program. So now that I'm a little bit longer into that now, and I realized, yes, this is something that I want to do for a little bit longer, just to see how much fun it will bring me. Because let's be realistic, I will not make a cent. Not in the next year for sure, unless something goes through the roof. Few things that I'm using right now is I got an iPad that is filming right now. I got a microphone that my wife got me. My smartphone is my second camera. I'm using the iMovie Maker, and the only thing that I really bought to be a little bit more like movie magic maker in the making is a little light. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Number one, just get started. Whatever comes in your mind, what you want to throw out there on the big wall of YouTube, create it, make a video. You can delete it later, but at least break the ice. That's number one. Number two, you don't need much equipment. Most of the people who are watching this will have the equipment right in their hand or right in front of you. Use your phone, use your laptop, that will work to begin with. Number three, check out videos for tips and tricks how to start your video on YouTube. You're starting, maybe this is the first video that you're watching. I will put up a link up here for the person that I'm watching the most right now to give me these tips and tricks how I can become a little bit bigger. Number four, after you created a handful of videos, check what is your flavor. Find your niche. Find what makes you, or find what brings you the most fun, the most entertainment for yourself, and then check your analytics at one point and see which videos are successful. Maybe you use different tags in there, maybe you use a different description. That might be somewhere where you want to build up onto. And number five, pay attention. Yes, to your tags, to your description, to your title, a little bit to your analytics in the beginning, and very important, thumbnails. This is your business card that the people are clicking on in the end. So if you like this video, please give me a subscribe. If I see that a lot of people are reacting to this is actually what I'm talking about. Then I will create more content like this. It's fun. I mean, I'm sharing my story right now, and if I look back in 2 years and this is something that helps me growing a little bit awesome. So that's from me so far. Tschüss.